Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in Granite Crystal Metallic. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, deep tinted sunscreen windows, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Alpine Premium audio system, Command Track part-time four-wheel drive system, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7166.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.